picking up a 2000 Celica GTS. They're gonna pull it out right now. I bid on it on the auction. I have no idea whether or not it drives or what the condition is, other than seeing what the picture looks like. It says it's a donated vehicle. It has minor dents and scratches, maybe a mechanical issue, but we'll see. Wow, look at the way they transport cars out here. This big old forklift just sticks two forks right under the car and just wheel it on out. That's pretty cool. I need one of these. Alright guys, here it is. It's the GTS. It's looking good. It's driving.
Car wash.
Yeah. Is the check engine light on? Tell me the good news.
You won't know. The battery's been dead for a while.
No, yeah, it's on.
Oh, it wasn't dead? Okay.
Check engine light's on. Oh no. Okay. We'll see what's wrong with it.
It looks like this. It's gonna look like
well, it runs, but the check engine light's on.
Now if it runs, it'll clean them up. Hey. Oh shit.
Office to CJ.
That's not got it for you, man. I know. That's not for you, man. CJ copy.
Are you close to the office?
Okay, so I hosed off the Celica a little bit so it doesn't look as bad, but I'm gonna do a quick wash on it before I start to work on it this weekend and figure out what's wrong with it. From the initial examination, looks like the power steering's out. It doesn't steer. And then it got a check engine light for a random misfire, but we're gonna drive that after I fix the power steering and see if the random misfire is still happening. So let's wash this baby. Oh man, look how good it looks when it's all wet and shiny. Hopefully when I dry it, the paint will still be wet and shiny. We'll see. I highly doubt it. I think I'm gonna have to buff this and wax it, or at least get the stuff to do it. I don't have extra wrap to wrap it, unfortunately. So let's go take a quick walk around before it gets totally dark. Over here from the back, it's got a nice wing on it. I really like this. I never had one of these before. I had the old body style Celica with the lift back and the two circle headlights in front. I had the 94 or so, and then I crashed it and it caught on fire. That's why I got the MR2. But anyway, this has the the nice those are like the stock rims, but they look really good. They don't even look that small. So yeah, it's got a nice big old muffler in the back. I don't think that's stock. I think whoever had it last put a exhaust on it, so it looks good. I thought that this was black, but if you look real close, it's hard to see in this light. It's actually like really dark blue. It's like a midnight blue, which is really sick. I don't know if they come standard in midnight blue for the GTS, but like if you get real close up on it when you can't even see it there either. But to my eyes, it looks blue. I don't know. Maybe I'm colorblind or something, or maybe my blue receptors are skewed. But either way, I gotta scrape these little numbers off that they have from the Copart yard. But Yeah, I'm almost tempted to keep this thing because it looks so freaking good. You know? Yeah. There's Michelle's car over there. Look, here's the vision, okay? Maybe I keep it, and then the Spider or whatever car has the best wrap goes in the garage, and then over there it will be the Mercedes, the Celica 240, S2000, RX-7, Supra. I don't think that many cars fit along that fence line, but I can dream, right? I can dream. But okay, so let's start this thing up and see what it sounds like, what it looks like under the hood while there's still light out. Let's see that cold start. So there's the engine running. It sounds like it's running fine, but then I hear that whiny sound. What is that? Okay, the sound has stopped. So it seems like it's coming from something back there. There it goes again. I'm guessing maybe it's the pump, the power steering pump, or well, there's only two things that can be wrong with it, right? Power steering pump or the rack. This doesn't smell like it's burnt, so I think that's okay. I'm gonna have to open this sucker up and take a look and see what's wrong. Maybe the belt's slipping or something like that. That must be a belt sound because let's give it some throttle here. The engine sounds good, other than that whiny noise that you hear. Alright guys, so I think that's gonna be it for tonight. I'm gonna dry this Celica off here and then pull into the garage and take apart all of that covering there, tear down in there, maybe jack it up under the car over here, maybe take the tire off and see if I can't figure out what that noise is. Alright, so we're in the garage and I got the engine running. You can hear the noise still. I'm not sure what's going on here. The power steering looks full. Right there. That looks pretty full to me. And then it doesn't smell burnt. There was some leakage right there maybe, but it wasn't really wet, and I wiped it off. I'm trying not to get caught in the belt here. Right there. I wiped some of that off down there, but I don't see any active leaks. Power steering fluid is not leaking anywhere in my garage, I can tell. This belt was just kind of loud, and it's coming from, apparently this spins when you have the engine on. Anyway, it comes from back there somewhere. Guys, those of you who know Celicas,
Tell me what's going on. I don't understand. Is it noise? Is the noise coming from the power steering pump? Or is it coming from one of the other pieces? I can't tell. This power steering pump is way back in there. And this is not gonna be fun. It's a little bit better than going. I feel like it's coming from back there. And I think it is a bunch of power steering pumps. I don't think this is something I can fix. Anyway, let's shut this thing off.
I don't think this is a problem that I can fix myself. I've never taken off a power steering pump, and taking off that one, it's going to require that I mess with the belt. I have to loosen the belt, adjust the tensioner, and then take that off, and then fumble with it and figure out how to unbolt the power steering pump and possibly change it. What I should probably do is I'm going to take it to Robert and see if he can help me diagnose the problem and figure it out. I might just have him do it for me because he's a mechanic, and then just maybe watch him do it, and pay him for the labor, of course. But we'll see. You know, the power steering pump actually only costs like $100 something bucks, so hopefully it's just that and it's not the rack and pinion. So we'll see how he does it, and I guess we're gonna film that if he gets a chance to do it for me this weekend. Guys, if you have a Celica and you know what that noise is and how to fix that, do I really have to take off the power steering pump? How can I test it to make sure that that's the problem? Is the hose clogged? Maybe it's a clogged hose or something like that. I don't know. I saw a video of one of you guys showing a Celica had made that noise before. So yeah, hit me on the comments. Let me know if you know what to do to fix this problem.